Hey everyone, Vito from MoreBeer here. I'm sitting with Colin, MoreBeer Pro booth. We're at CBC. Tell me about this keg washer. So as a commercial brewer, I know cleaning kegs is kind of a full-time job. So tell me why this keg washer is amazing and some of the cool new features it brings.
So, one of the cool things about it is you throw 2 kegs on, push the button, come back 5 minutes later, you got clean kegs.
So I can be
what else do you need? Right?
Sanitizing a tank while my kegs are going, right?
Yep, yeah. or whatever you need
Yeah.
to do, right? If you're filling kegs at the same time,
Okay.
you put on a dirty keg, it comes off clean, pressurized, ready to fill.
Okay.
This one's got 2 sides. We've got
Okay.
a caustic side and a sanitizer side. The caustic side's got a heating element, so it gets your caustic nice and warm. It recovers all your chemicals, so you're not replacing your chemicals all the time. You got to monitor your caustic, make sure that you're not wearing out your caustic. But it does such a good job at purging all the beer out. Caustic lasts a long time.
It looks like we do half barrels and sixtels on here as well.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, it comes pre-programmed for half barrels, quarter barrels, and sixtels.
Okay.
And then there's a 4th set of software that you can program for another keg if you want to do a 50 liter, or if you want to do a deep clean.
Euro kegs, the smaller size is different.
Or maybe if you want to change your chemistry for the 4th one.
Okay.
You could set it up so it was caustic passivation.
Oh, okay. Cool.
And then store them passivated. And then when you go want to fill them, you just run them again and do a sanitized cycle. So all sorts of things you can do with it.
Awesome. Last question. So about in an hour, how many half barrels do you think I can move through?
I can run through 2 every 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Okay. So run that out.
Yep.
Yeah.
But it's programmable, so if you find one cycle's a little too long or a little too short, you can adjust each parameter on the fly.
All right, Colin, thanks for going over that with me. You can find this at morebeerpro.com.
Cheers.